guys. Today we're going to test the stability here on this new firmware. See if there's any changes to anything, if it's better or worse, or what's up. I'm just waiting for it to get a couple more satellites here, and we'll send it up. I mean, personally, since the update, I've had issues with the satellite. I wasn't having any issues before, but now it's a little slower for me, to be honest. I hear reports, people saying it's better, but for me, it's not as good. So let's see, we are 13. I'm going to take off now while I can. Let's see how stable she is with 13 satellites. Let it settle in a minute. Had a gust of wind blow up here. I mean, that's not really bad. I mean, it's not DJI steady, but it's pretty fucking steady. All the same. Gimbal looks good. I mean, it's holding all the way around. Veering off a little bit as you're spinning, but I mean, after all, we only have 13 satellites too, so maybe let's get up a little bit. We'll come back down, see if we can pick up a few more. Get up above the trees here. There we go, we got 16 there. So, like I said, I've had issues in my area. I really think they switched us back to Beniou. I guess time will tell on that. I mean, stability looks good so far. And we got 17 now. Let's drop it back down. Let's see if it'll hold them. 16. 17, so it seems to be holding them. Coming down at about 3 miles an hour or so. Alright, 16 satellites. See how stable she is. I mean, that's not bad. I mean, you figure I'm using a beta unit too, so I mean, it's supposed to be the best of the best. I mean, I don't know. Is anybody else having stability issues out there? I mean, is yours all over the place? Is it this steady, or? I mean, I just did recalibrated everything. 6-way, everything. I mean, it's pretty freaking good, guys. I mean, I got a crosswind coming this way, so it's kind of, wanting to be pushed that way a little bit. Other than that, it's still kind of right in the same spot. So, I mean, with that said, let's take a little flight around. We'll come back and we'll see what's up, right? Up 200 feet now. We'll splint it around hard. I toned it back up so I could do that. I had it set down really. What I also wanted to do was fly sideways today, because this would throw it off before too. Anybody who's been flying the Fimis for a while knows that they fucking hate going sideways. it up a little bit. Just a tad here. But that looks fucking good, guys. I mean, phenomenal, I should say. Let's get it back over here closer to back to me here, and we'll put her in friggin' sport mode and see how it holds. So I'm looking for flight stability and gimbal stability today. I don't give a shit about the camera, really how it looks or anything like that. Well, here she comes. Alright. Get it the other way out of the sun. Gimbal looks great. I mean, that's DJI level. I mean, I fly a lot here, so I know this area. I know that's like, can't get any better than that, guys. Really can't. All right. What was I doing? Oh yeah, sport mode. Okay. Yeah, we know all about that. So let's beat it. Let's beat on it. I mean, it's holding, guys. I don't need to even do anymore. Nobody's ever gonna fly their drone that stupid, so unless you let your little kid play with it or something. But as far as me, the gimbal's fixed. I will call it fixed. I put it on my old drone, my original drone, first yesterday, and that one has never been level. Ever. Once been level. Should probably stop this Osmos. Interference over there. I think that's good, guys. I think I'm gonna wrap this up for this flight. We've got some rain coming in today, so it's looking like weather's gonna be crappy for the next few days. So you might not see too much of me for a few days. VPU mode, look at that, guys. 13 satellites. 12 satellites. So I have an issue with that again. Never should it go drop from 17 to 13 like that. So I know for a fact that they changed this back over to Beniou, or however you want to pronounce that. That's telltale signs of it. Every time they switch me, that's what happens. So I mean, my gimbal was okay before on this drone, so I mean, what I'll do is probably go back probably to the previous firmware, or I'll just run the firmware I was testing, because that didn't seem to do that with that one. So I mean, when we test them, they make a lot of changes before they actually put it out to you guys. So not paying attention here what the hell I'm doing. Just wanted to pick it up and see how stable it was again real quick before I brought it in. So it looks great. I mean, blowing my pad around. Get back over here. Good enough. cut some grass. Alright guys, that's it. Compass interference, I've been getting that here. I mean, I'm landing on my septic system, so pretty sure that's what my issue is here, because I only get it when I land, so. But I don't like that fluctuation of the satellite GPS shit. I don't like that. So that's gotta be changed. As far as my 5-way switch, mine, like I said, mine is set just like it was before, so no change with that. Some people were saying they had issues with their 5-way button. But I didn't notice anything with that, but I did notice that the gimbal will not go up as far or down as far either. Somebody was mentioning that too. That was a great observation. So with that said, guys, I'm calling it.